Hi, this is a PSA on digital footprint and reputation. Your digital footprint paints a picture of who you are. So everything that you put out there online, on social media, whether it be a message or a post, video or pictures, um, it all is, it's anything, the internet's forever. So if you think you can post something that might be funny and then go ahead and turn around and delete it, it's not that easy. And future employers of yours, and if you're a younger person, college recruiters, they are looking at your online presence, your digital footprint, and if it's a negative footprint, or if you've got yourself a negative reputation online, that can negatively impact your future as far as these people letting you, hiring you or letting you into their schools. So just bear that in mind. And reversely, if you want, it's nice to formulate a positive footprint. If you're into charities and you're altruistic and you help the elderly or you help the whoever needs help, and you're a giving person and you're a kind person, put that out there online, and that will reflect positively on you. I think that's it. 60 seconds. Thank you.